Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. So today I am going to show you how to draw Mommy Longlegs from Poppy Playtime. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment, maybe subscribe. All of that is super duper awesome. Love it when that happens. And if you do those things, thank you. All right, so I'm going to start by drawing the eyes. So let's do one great big circle and then give it a little bit of space, and we're going to do another great big circle. Inside that shape, let's do another circle. Same with the other one. Now I'm going to do one circle there, a little circle, and then one in behind, and that one in behind I'm coloring in all black. Same over here. Okay, so now let's do some eyelashes. So I'm going to make them kind of thick. So 1, 2, 3 thick lashes, and same over here. 1, 2, 3 thick lashes. And we can do a smile. And we can do a little lip up top and on the bottom. And now we can get started with some hair. So I'm gonna start right here is where she has it parted. So I'm gonna do a line like that. And then over here, we're gonna do that great big curl. Like that. And we'll do a line right here. And now I'm gonna take this little line here and I'm gonna add this little line there. And do a curve. I'm just gonna add that little line right there. Now I can do a rounded like hair scrunchie, hair tie. And before we keep going with the hair, I'm going to finish off the face so we can do the face shape. So it's very round. And connects to the hair here. All right, so the hair coming out of the ponytail, we've got almost like noodles. So like that, like long and thick. And we've got a couple. This one's kind of in behind that other one. And I'll do another one. And don't worry if you're trying to make these exactly like what I'm doing. Don't feel like it has to be exactly what I'm doing. Just have fun with whatever you're drawing. All right, so I think that's pretty good for the hair. And now let's do the neck. It's also kind of like a big noodle. Like that. Put a curved spot here, just kind of like the hair tie we did up there. Next, I'm going to start with an arm right here. So I got a little bit of a curved shape. And I'm going to bring it all the way down to right here. Like that. And we can do another one of these shapes. Kind of like what we did with the neck and the hair piece. And we can do a hand. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 fingers, and kind of see a little bit of a thumb there. All right, so next I'm going to draw the other hand. So let's do one finger here, And another one. Another one. And one more right there. And we've got a thumb poking out right there. And we can do a little curved bottom here and another little curve. And then we can do a bit of a noodle shape. Like that. All right, so now I'm gonna do a little line there, a little one there, and kind of do kind of like a circle here. And from there, I'm gonna make like a hill and then another one, kind of like the top of a heart. And now let's do another rounded shape. This one's gonna be bigger. You can see it's in behind the arms. All right, so next I'm going to do a shoe. Like that. And from that shoe, we're going to do a leg. It's curving up and coming on down and connecting to that great big circle we made. And of course, we gotta do the rest of that noodle shaped leg. And we need one more leg. So I'm gonna start with the shoe first. Like that. And big noodle leg. Right there. All right, so we are finished our drawing, and I'm gonna get started with the coloring now. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Mommy Longlegs. I hope you had a good time drawing with me today. All right, everyone, hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you next time. Bye!